Hi everybody, I'm Tracy with the G team at eXp Realty, and Brian and I are out at this open house today at 395 Sierra Drive in Roseburg. As you can see, it's beautiful out here, wonderful view, and the property is 2.33 acres, so it gives you a lot of privacy here. And we've got a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 2,112 square feet, so let's show you inside. Come on in. This is the open living room with vaulted ceilings. We have a really nice cozy wood stove for those cold winters. Got a nice open floor plan dining room and a beautiful granite kitchen with island and eating bar. And nice custom cabinetry. Just a really nice quality built home. Was built in 2015. Down the hall, find the master suite in here. Got a nice spacious bedroom, a beautiful view outside. Got a large bathroom with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. And of course there's a walk-in closet as well. Got a really nice spacious main bath with dual vanity and a separate tub shower so that several people can be using the bathroom at one time. Bedroom number 2. All the bedrooms are a decent size, great for multiple kids. Or you can have a guest room, office. It's bedroom number 3, even a bit bigger than the last bedroom. And as you can see, there's great views out of all of the windows of these bedrooms. Finally, bedroom number 4. Again, a nice size, a great view. So thanks for taking a tour with us today. This home is priced at $359,000 and is a fantastic buy for this newly built home. And if you want any other information, you can find it on our website at gteamgoahead.com. Or you can call or text at 541-595-TEAM. Thank you.